Next, we are going to discuss about the evaluate yourself part. So, see the first question. So, write the rate expression for the following reactions, assuming them as elementary reactions. See the first question. 3A plus 5B2 gives the 4CD. Here, A and B2 are the reactants, gives the CD product. Then, how to write the rate expression for the first one? So rate equal to minus. So why we are putting minus for that reactant means, so that once the reaction is started, that rate become the amount that is concentration of A and B2 become decreasing. So only we are introducing that minus here. So and then the 3, that is the coefficient. So we need to write the coefficient in the reciprocal form. So minus 1 by 3 d of in square bracket we need to write, because that one is the concentration. So that dA by dt equal to, so B2 is in the, so we need to write that B2 in the 5 is in that reciprocal form. So minus 1 by 5 d of B2 divided by dt equal to, so we need to write that product in the positive sign. So 1 by 4 in CD by dt. See the second question now. X2 plus Y2 gives 2XY. So there is no coefficient, no number is there. So no need to write any number here. So minus d into x2 divided by dt equal to, so minus d into y2 divided by d2 equal to, so 2 is here, we need to write as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into d of xy by dt. See the second question now. Consider the decomposition of N2O5 to form NO2 and O2. So at a particular instant, N2O5 disappears at a rate of 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 mole DMQ per second. So at what rate are NO2 and NO2 and O2 form? What is the rate of the reaction? So first we need to write the equation. So 2N2O5 decomposed to gives the NO2 and the O2. First next we need to write that rate expression for this equation. So rate equal to, so the number 2 coefficient 2 is here. So we need to write in the reciprocal form. So minus 1 by 2 d of N2O5 divided by D2 equal to, so what is in the given in the product, NO2 and O2 is there. So for number coefficient 4 is there. So we need to write as 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 d into NO2 divided by D2. So and then equal to d of O2 divided by D2. So that is the rate expression actually. So and then what is asking here? So at the particular instant, N2O5 disappears at the rate of 2 point. So that rate of disappearance of N2O5. So that value is 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 mole per DMQ per second. So next what they are asking, so at what rate NO2 and O2 are formed. So and then next step what we need to write, so d of NO2 by D2. So how we are getting d here, so this 4 is moves to the opposite side, cross multiplying. So the 4 is moving to this place, so 4 divided by 2, so we are getting 2. So d of NO2 by dt equal to 2 into d of N2O5 divided by dt. So the rate of formation of NO2 at this temperature is, so this only been asking in the question. So what a rate of formation of NO2 at this temperature? So dNO2 divided by D2 equal to 2 into N2O5 by dt. So 2 into, so what is that rate of disappearance of N2 or N2O5 here? So 2.5 into 10 power minus 2. So 2 into 2.5 we are getting 5 into 10 power minus 2. So unit is mole per dm³ per second. So and then what they are asking in that question, so the rate of formation of O2 and NO2 they asked. So then how to find out for O2? So minus 1 by 2 d N2O5. It's in the equation. So minus 1 by 2 d N2O5 divided by dt equal to minus d into O2 by dt. So this only we need to find out. So we need to write this one in the left side. So minus d into O2 divided by d2 equal to 1 by 2 into, so this value is given in the question. The rate of disappearance of N2O2 is 2.5 into 10 power minus 2. So 2.5 divided by 2 we are getting 1.25 into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole per dm³ per second. A reaction X plus Y gives product quadrupling X increases the rate by 8 factor of 8. Quadrupling both X and Y increases the rate by a factor of 16. Find the order of the reaction with respect to the X and Y. So overall order of the reaction asked in the question. So what is the first equation given? X plus Y gives the product. So the product is given as Z here. So X plus Y give Z is the product here. So for that we are going to write the rate. So Z is equal to K into, so what is the reactant? X and Y. So X power M, Y power N. So next what they are telling, increases the rate by quadrupling X. Quadrupling means we need to increase the number by 4. So quadrupling the X and Y. So 4X plus Y use the 8Z. So the fact of the rate is given as Z. So 8Z. So we need to write that rate in the left hand side. So 8Z is equal to K into 4X power M plus Y power N. So what is the second condition is given? So quadrupling both X and Y. So we need to write 4x plus 4y. It gives the 16z. 16 is given in the question itself. So 16z. So 16z is equal to k into 4x power m plus 4y power n. So this one we are taking as equation number 3. So next step we need to divide equation 2 by 1. So 8 is divided by 8 is equal to k into 4x power m plus y power n divided by z equal to kx power m plus y power n. Similar terms we are going to cancel each other. So y power n, 1 y power n are cancelled here. So remaining here 8 and 8 are cancelled. So we are getting 8 here. So here k and k are same. So we are going to cancel that one. So remaining 4 power m is there. So 8 is a 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 equal to 4 we are going to write as 2 power 2. So base, the common base is common here. So 2. So 3 equal to, we are going to 3 equal to 2m. So m is equal to 3 by 2. So m is equal to 1.5. So in the next step, we are going to divide the equation 3 by 1. So equation 3 is 16 z equal to k 4x power m plus 4y power n divided by first equation. So z equal to kxm plus y power n. So similar terms we are going to cancel. So at last we are getting 16 equal to 4 power m plus 4 power n. So 16 we are going to write as 4 square. So 4 square is equal to 4m plus 4n. So 4 square equal to, so base is common here. So we are going to take out that 4 power of m plus n. So base the 4 are similar here. So m plus n equal to 2. So already we find out the m value here. So m equal to 1.5. So n value equal to 2 minus 1.5. So n value equal to 0.5. So next we are going to substitute the m value and the n value in the rate equation. So z is equal to k into x power m value, that is 1.5, y power n value, that is 0.5. So next order means we need to add all the order of the individual component. So x value 1.5, y value so 0.5. So 1.5 plus 0.5 gives 3. So next fourth question, find the individual and overall order of a following reaction using the given data. So 2NO plus Cl2 gives NOCl. So NO initial concentration is given here. The Cl2 initial concentrations are given here. So what are the rate of NaCl? So at that three different experiments that are given here. So rate equal to, how to write the rate equation for this equation? So K is equal to NO power M Cl2 power M. So next one is experiment number 1. So experiment number 1, rate value equal to, that is K value, rate equal to 7.8 into 10 power minus 5. So K, and then NO initial value is 0.1. So and then Cl2 initial value is 0.1. So this one we are taking as equation number 1. So in the second experiment, rate value is 3.12 into 10 power minus 4 equal to K into NO initial value is 0.2 and then Cl2 initial value is 0.1. So this one we are going to take as equation number 2. So and then third experiment rate value is 9.36 into 10 power minus 4. So equal to K into NO value 0.2 power M and then Cl2 value 0.3 power N. So next we are going to divide equation 2 divided by 1. So equation 2 value is 3.12 into 10 power minus 4 equal to K into 0.2 power M into 0.1 power N. So divided by equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 7.8 into 10 power minus 5 divided by this side divided by K into 0.1 power M into 0.1 power N. So similar terms are cancel each other. So K and K are cancelled here. So 0.1 makes cancel each other. So finally we are getting 4 is equal to 2 power M. So 4 we are writing as 2 power 2. So M is equal to 2. Next we are going to divide equation 3 by 2. So equation 3, the rate value is 9.36 into 10 power minus 4. So and then divided by equation 2, rate value is 3.12 into 10 power minus 4 equal to, so equation 3 remaining terms are K into 0.2 power M into 0.3 power N. So divided by, so equation number 2 value K into 0.2 power M, so into 0.1 power N. So similar terms we are going to cancel here. 10.4 can first cancel here. So and then K, so next is 0.2 power M. Both are same, that and all we are going to cancel. So remaining we are getting 3 equal to 3 power N. So base 3 is equal here. So N is equal to 1. So then how to write that? So next we are going to enter the M and N value in the rate equation. Rate equal to K into NO2 power M value Cl2 power N value. So that is 1. So next we are going to add the going to find out that overall order of the reaction. That is 2 plus 1. We are getting 3 here.